We live in a world full of changes, in a society in which the wheel of time is spinning ever faster. How can we keep up with tomorrow's production? We meet future demands with automation throughout the entire manufacturing process, tailor-made to the needs of our customers and with highest precision. 100% digital order processing and uniform standards for raw materials and programming software allow our machines to be set up independently for cost-effective, best-in-quality manufacturing within the shortest time frame possible. With years of experience in machining and comprehensive knowledge in all production technologies, we create innovative product solutions in collaboration with our customers. From specifically developed and individually manufactured prototypes to an automotive certified series production beyond 100,000 pieces. Our manufacturing processes interlock like clockwork. In times of rapid change, you need a partner who thinks about tomorrow's production. STIWA, competence through in-house manufacturing.